Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So got a great one for you. We have this truck here that has the Eibachs suspension in it, or the Eibachs Pro kit. People ask us what's really the difference between their kit and our kit. We run a preload collar, they do a spring. They're basically creating preload with a little bit taller spring to create lift for the truck. So I've done measurements on this truck. This has got the Eibachs kit. I've done measurements on this truck, and this is our standard Westcott kit here. And I've done measurements on this one, which is going to be our new 2-inch front kit for the pros. So we'll start with this one here. If we look right here in the front, we've got 22 1/4. Now I'm taking that measurement from the center of the axle right here to the bottom edge of the wheel well. So we're 22 1/4 to here in the front. In the back, we're 23 3/8 in the rear on this truck. We come over here and we're 23. So this is our standard kit, taking the measurement from here to here. So we're 23 here. And then in the back here, we're 24 1/8. So we're a little bit taller front to rear as well on this truck, and this is our standard kit. This is our, basically it comes out to like 1.6 to 1.7 in the front. This comes out between 1.4 and 1.5 in the front. And then we're 1 1/4 here in the back is what we've added to the back of this truck. And we come around here to our new 2-inch kit, which basically with the factory 1-inch, we've added another 2 inches to it. This is for the guys that are gonna wanna run a front bumper on it, or they want a little bit more ground clearance, and they wanna run a 285/75 17 on their truck, a little bit larger tire, and make for more room in the fender. So on this one here now, we are 23 3/4 here. Now this one in the rear, we did not run our rear puck in this. We actually ran an Icon 2-inch rear spring in it. We're 23 7/8. Now, why is it so close here? Is because we've got our tire rack on the back and it's pulling it down about a 1/2 inch from where it was. We've got also airbags in the back. We let the air out of the airbags just to show you how much offset here, and just letting you know that it has airbags, how much offset's been done here in the back with the rack in the back. So if we add the air back in, get it back up, it does have a little bit of rake front to rear, but it has a really nice stance to this on this versus, you know, how it would be with like the 2-inch kit, or excuse me, the inch and 1.5 to 1.7 kit. So really good look here, really good look here, really good look there. It really comes down to what's your look that you're looking for. How much room do you need in your fenders? Are they both doing the exact same thing? Absolutely. Actually, all three of them are doing the exact same thing. That's created preload with the taller spring. We've created preload with the factory spring with our collars. So it's really up to you on what you decide you want to do on your truck. So again, thank you guys for watching. Hope this was helpful, and please reach out with any questions you may have.